Hi everyone, I am Ridhima and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make a water splash card for Holi. Take an A4 sheet and fold it in half in form of a card. Now for making the pitchkari, I am using red color sheet for the base, and for the detailing I will be using yellow colored sheet. You can be as creative as you want to. Now I am pasting all the cutouts. Now take your polybag and measure the size. We'll make a splash. We need to cut it out. So for easy cutting, take an eraser, place it beneath the place you want to make the cut. Now take your scissors and make a hole. We need to cut it out. After cutting, you will get something like this. Now take your polybag. We need to fill it with Gulal or glitters. And also adding some glitters. Now take your card and we need to paste it beneath the cutout. I am using tape for the same. You will get something like this. Now for detailing, I am using a black sketch pen. And also adding some more cutouts. For writing Happy Holi, I am using colored sketch pens. For the inside, I am also pasting a white sheet, and the card is done. So that was it for today's video. If you like this video, then please leave a comment down below and also subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you.